Title: Unlocking Your Potential, Strategies to Earn $5,000 a Day on Your YouTube Channel. Meta description: Looking to turn your YouTube channel into a lucrative source of income? Discover effective strategies and tips to help you earn $5,000 a day through your YouTube channel. Unlock your full potential and embark on a journey towards financial success on the world's largest video sharing platform. Introduction. In recent years, YouTube has emerged as a powerful platform for content creators to share their passions, reach a vast audience, and generate substantial income. While earning $5,000 a day on YouTube may seem like an ambitious goal, with the right strategies, dedication, and creativity, it is absolutely attainable. In this guide, we will explore proven techniques that can help you unlock your earning potential and transform your YouTube channel into a lucrative business. 1. Define your niche. To succeed on YouTube, it is crucial to identify a specific niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and skills. By focusing on a niche, you can establish yourself as an authority in that particular area, attract a dedicated audience, and increase your chances of monetizing your channel effectively. 1. Create high-quality content. Quality content is the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. Invest in producing videos that are visually appealing, engaging, and informative. Develop your storytelling abilities, refine your editing skills, and pay attention to details such as video and audio quality. Consistency is key, so aim to upload content regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 1. Build a strong brand identity. Differentiate your channel by developing a unique brand identity. This includes designing an eye-catching logo, creating visually cohesive thumbnails, and establishing a consistent tone and style across your videos. A strong brand identity not only helps you stand out from the crowd but also enhances your credibility and makes your channel more memorable to viewers. 1. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. To attract organic traffic to your videos, it is essential to optimize your video titles and descriptions for search engines. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google AdWords or YouTube's own search suggestions to identify relevant and popular keywords. Incorporate these keywords strategically into your titles and descriptions, ensuring they accurately reflect the content of your videos. 1. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal and engaged community is crucial for your YouTube channel's growth. Take the time to respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share your content. Create a sense of belonging and make your audience feel valued by interacting with them regularly. 1. Monetize your channel. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning substantial income. A. Ad revenue. Enable ads on your videos and participate in the YouTube Partner Program. As your channel grows and attracts more views and subscribers, you can generate significant income through ad revenue. B. Sponsorships and brand deals. Collaborate with brands and companies relevant to your niche. Sponsored videos and brand deals can provide a substantial income stream, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. C. Merchandise and products. Create and sell your merchandise, such as branded clothing, accessories, or digital products like e-books or online courses. This allows you to leverage your brand and monetize your dedicated fan base. D. Crowdfunding. Engage your audience through platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter, where they can support your channel by making financial contributions in exchange for exclusive content or perks. 1. Promote your channel. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithms to promote your channel. Actively market your videos across various platforms, such as social media, blogs, and forums, to increase your reach and attract new viewers. Collaborate with other YouTubers, participate in relevant online communities, and use targeted advertising to expand your audience and maximize your earning potential. Conclusion: earning $5,000 a day on YouTube is an ambitious but achievable goal with the right strategies and a commitment to excellence. By defining your niche, creating high-quality content, building a strong brand identity, engaging with your audience, and implementing effective monetization strategies, you can unlock your full potential and turn your YouTube channel into a profitable business venture. Remember, success on YouTube requires perseverance, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and preferences. Embrace the opportunities YouTube presents, and embark on a journey towards financial freedom and creative fulfillment.